Today, we proudly present our factory's 7-liter multifunctional chef machine, the efficiency king for milk whipping and dough kneading. It is equipped with a 550-watt high-speed silent brushless DC motor and 11-speed settings. It effortlessly handles dough kneading, egg whisking, filling mixing, and cream whipping in one machine. The all-metal body is durable, easy to clean, and designed for 12-hour daily operation without stress. 2 core features. The first, ultra-quiet, no noise during operation. The second, powerful dough capability, easily processes 2.5 kilograms of flour a time.